Lacerna. Chen. Wow. Tapigan. Kay Chen ulit. On the glass. No good. Oi, 2 points. 2-0. Nice play. PBA. No. George is there. Chen. Chen. Oh. Number 15. Derecho. Number 27. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Oi. Parang kaya Marvin din, ha? Lacerna for 3. No good. Flores. Ang pagbabalik. Oy! Ayan na siya. The soft touches ni Flores. Chen. Oy! Flores, lays, ganda. 4-2. Nice shot on the glass. On 4. Flores once again. PBA, lefty, no good. Chen. On the right side. No good. Kay Chen ulit. Mikako faking. Right side. On the glass. Kanya ulit. Mikako. On the move. Number 13. To number 0. Chen. Chen. To Lacerna. Wide open. 3. Bang. 3. 7-4. Babawi to answer back. Wala. Number 15, Mikako. Number 15, crosses over. Stolen. AJ Flores finding the advanced man. Inside. 6-7. Lacerna on the left side. Chen creating a space. Inside. No good to number 11. Number 11. Flores. Flores, no good. Deny. Lacerna for 3. Check. 3. Back-to-back 3 for Lacerna. Grabe naman si Sir. Hit-check-o. 10-6. Crossover 3. No good. On the right side. Fast break opportunity for Flores. Lefty finding the glass. Make it count. 8-10. Chen. Bounce pass. Miscommunication to number 27 to De La Cruz. To Flores. Same spot, same result. All 10. Lacerna faking to number 15. Inside, spins like Kobe. Hello, good. To Flores. Number 11, Lampas to De La Cruz. 2 points. 12-10. Number 10, crossover. Oy, behind the back. Inside, wow! Lacerna on the move. Make it groove. Flores. No good. Kay Chen ang bola. Chen ang tulin. Oy! Nice play. Flores. Flores. Wala. Tapigan. Kay George ang bola. Number 13. Stops finding Lacerna for 3. Bang! Change score. Back to back. 3 points. points ba? Tama.
Basket kuya. Basket.
14-15. Mikago on the left side to George. Lacerna inside to Mikago. Mikago finding the space. 17-14. Crossover spins. Oy! Yes, sir. Make it count. 16-17. Chan finding the man to Mikago. Mikago on the glass to Chan. Napakasipag. Once again, fading. No good. Tabi natin. Flores ang bola. Flores nagpapadali to De La Cruz. De La Cruz stops. Finding the glass. No good. Chan is there. Chan nagpapadali. Anong gagawin mo, Chan? Pinalap si Lacerna. Faking. Pinalik kay Chan. Inside to Mikago. In and out. Flores is there. Lays, no good. Tapikan. Mikago. Anong gagawin mo? Mikago inside. No good. Kay PBA ang bola. So White Ranger. White Ranger. Lampas kay De La Cruz. 18-17. Lamang na ang depensa. Faking to number 10. Number 10. Other side ball, 18-17. Lamang na sila Flores ng isa. De La Cruz. Inside, Lace. Ang guwapo nun. Flores is there. Tapikan. Mikago. Mikago. 3-point bang. No good chance there. At sipag nito. Mikago again and again. What a hassle player by Chan, creating another opportunity for his teammate. 19-18. Flores to PBA laro. Spot at perimeter, no good. Another chance. Make it out, count to 3. No good. Tapikan. Who will win? Same ball. Inside to De La Cruz. Rebound and 1. Great positioning. 20-19. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Bonus shot. No good. Chan. Quick move. Oy! Foul. 19-20.
Kano oras ba schedule mo, kuya?
2 points. 20. All 20. Last 45 seconds. Flores, oy, ganda pasa. Grabe ka naman, Flores. 22-20. Goggles on. Goggles on, sabi ni Flores. 3. Wala. Number 10. Anong gagawin mo, Flores? Flores. 3-point. Wala. Mikago. Oy. Oy! Last 9 seconds. 22-20. Dapat ma-shoot na yan. 5 seconds. 3-point. Wala. 2 seconds. Game ball. Counted. 24.